Hello, everyone. Hopefully, the audio is good. I got a new microphone, so I was testing it out and it was a bit echoey. So I tried different things like putting a pop filter on, adding a more rigid background, and messing with noise reduction filters. Hopefully, what I got so far will be good for now. I would like tips in the comment section because I'm not very good at editing and I kind of rush it, but I know the audio sounds off every single video. What I've been working on so far, we've got foodies, and as you can see from the last video, there's 2 new buttons. What are these buttons? These buttons are, I forgot which one's which. I think this one is the lab, and this one is the kitchen. Now, the lab is where you take food items, mutate them to become foodies. The kitchen is where you can cook foodies to either turn them into new foodies or to give them I believe it's a 5% buff to all their stats, not including armor. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all how it works. I got a new drawing program. I was originally using, I think I explained, I was using Samsung Pinup, but now I have Krita, which I'm going to use for animation and sprite building. So I'm going to go ahead and go to stores. Now the only variant, that's what they're going to be called, variants, different foodies that can come from cooking a raw foodie. I'm not guaranteeing every single foodie to have a variant, and I'm not even guaranteeing that all variants I think of will be added in the game because there's a lot that goes with it. But I'm going to go ahead and buy the egg. Yes, this is the lab. So how this works is when you buy food from the store, it's normal food. It can't do anything. I know it has eyes and a face, but the food sprites are going to be different from the foodie sprites. I just haven't done that yet. I bought an egg, and you see our little food item here. It's very small, but there's a button I can add it. And this is blacked out because in our foodie base, we haven't discovered it yet. Oh, you get a preview. I'm gonna go ahead and mutate the food into a foodie. And now you can see right here that added egg to roster, which means now he shows up here. Oh, I also added a grade. As you can see kind of barely in the corner there, there's a red circle with an, you can't see it from here, but that's an F. And what I've added is a kind of, not level up, because there will be level ups in game, but I added like a star system. And if you have 2 foodies of the same grade, you can combine them to get a higher rating foodies. So now you can see, can't really see that actually is an E. Let me buy some more to show y'all. But I believe it gives it a 10% increase each time you do this. There you go. Now you can see the change. That's a D. Now, what I'm going to do, I don't think I've actually fixed this yet. It's not updating. Okay, I need to fix that. But, oh no! I can't grab it. Ugh. I'm just gonna cheat. Canvas. Turn you off. Okay, there we go. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and cook our foodie. And what you're gonna see next, see this is still all a big problem. This is the kitchen. Here's the cook button. Over here it shows you your foodies, and over here it shows you your food. I haven't gotten the food to work. I have gotten the foodies to work. This is supposed to show you the outcomes or the results, possible results. This whole thing is going to be like a carousel or a panning image thing. You'll have different kitchen tools. So right now we have a saucepan, and I don't have a sprite for the saucepan. But you're going to be able to arrow side to side to choose what tool you want. And you can also see recipes. But I'm going to go ahead at him, cook, and I wonder what that made. A fried egg. Now we have a fried egg. As you can see, it keeps the food grade. Yes, isn't he adorable? My little fried egg. And as you can see, the stats, oh goodness, he needs to be healed. All right, we're gonna go ahead and heal him up. I think this is where I stopped. I'm not completely done actually coding all this. I just wanted to make a video to show y'all what's been going on. But that makes sense. I stopped coding for so long that I forgot what I forgot to do. Well, now I know, is that the skill panel isn't working. Alright. Well, I'll figure that out later. But now we have a cute fried egg, and that's all I've worked on so far. There's still a lot of bugs, there's still a lot that needs to be done, but I'm able to pick up now where I was. I bet a lot of you are wondering what happened. Well, I'm not exactly gonna talk, but let's just say school and work happened. I actually at one point decided that I wanted to code, but I didn't exactly want to code foodies. So I actually started creating an entire new game, which if I pull it up real quick, I have this game that I did for a school project, which I'm not gonna pull it up or it's gonna absolutely crash my computer. And this game right here is the one that I was working on. It's a Slenderman type game because I had a nightmare about the monster and it freaking scared me so bad that I decided to make a game about it. So, oh no, I accidentally clicked it. Oh, yep, that's the thing. That's the freaking scary monster. It's so disgusting to look at. I don't like it. And it's kind of just there, but for now it's ugh. Imagine that running at you. But anyways, that's the game I was working on. And as for how I'm doing, I'm tired. That's about it. I did a lot of new things. My rabbit got head tilt, which, if you don't know what that is, it's severe vertigo for rabbits where they try to flip over because their head says they're upside down, but their body is not. So they end up just going in circles. But he's getting better, but he might be permanently stuck like this. He's young, so I don't think it's a tumor or anything. Oh, and also I'm writing a book. But other than all that, I've been doing okay. So I will see y'all in the next video.